Dude, my Steve skin?
No.
Okay, did you start recording?
Maybe. Stop ruining the cinematic intro.
Well, dude, you have to at least tell me, be like, hey, what's up, guys? It's Minecraft Gaming, and then do your intro, at least.
I'm Superman, and I know it. Da, 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 da. Hey guys, what's up? It's Monte from Monte Minecraft Gaming here, joined by Dominator.
Hello.
We're doing a server review on puppycraft, my brand new Minecraft server. I know I'm not a puppy, but I own the YouTube channel Puppy Kingdom. So yeah,
It's still cool, so.
it's a really cool server. I'll put the IP in the description. I'll show you the plugins. First of all, when you join, it'll say this. I'll just show you.
I'm a moderator for everyone that's wondering.
You're an operator, not a moderator.
I am a moderator, see?
Okay, when you join, this is what it says. Welcome to puppycraft. Lol, I'm super cow. So let's just get back into the video. You'll spawn right here. I spawned there because I was already there. And you'll come up. This is our spawn, like regular spawns usually. This is just like a cooler place. This is prison. It's, as you can see, a lot of this is still in a work of progress. So this will all be.
It's nice though.
Well, prison will be closed up. So I'm gonna make people not allowed to do /warp prison, so people don't do it. And this is for now. This is warp A. There will be a warp. The hell. There will be a warp B soon.
Whee!
Another update for Disguisecraft, or I got the last update this week. Okay, whatever. I'll get that later. Oh, whoa! As you can see, we have anti-advertising stuff. So let's just. This is our plugins. You can look at that for. I'll just leave it for a few more seconds. Crap. I'll try to use the I Control You plugin on you. Okay, but this is prison so far. There's actually, I think, warp. Is there a warp shop yet? Nope. We didn't finish building warp shop. I think we have warp ranks. Yeah, here's warp ranks. So far we have these. Okay, /warp. We have another warp. Wilderness. And here's warp wilderness /kill all. There. So yeah. Oh crap /I stick one. Oh, /I stick one /PT lightning. There's also one more thing to show you guys before I end this, because it's not that much of a complicated server where it's like any of that hardcore build and stuff with the spawn. It's just a regular server, you know, just to have fun. And we have factions, but they don't work, so it's just regular survival. And if you do be nice to staff and play on the server a lot, they might give you spawn protection so people don't grief and nobody can PvP. So just remember, making a mansion or a city, you know, if you build good and we see that you build really good, we actually might consider giving you a rank.
Spawn builder.
No, a build helper. They get to be helper if they are really good at building. And they get to see me all day long. I'll be on the server almost all day. And you guys could have a chance to be on YouTube. You asked me and I might say yes. Is that a spider jockey? No way, it's a spider jockey. Dude, TP to me. It's a
Run.
spider jockey. Slash
Here, wait, I
TP
can't TP you.
Dominator. No, I accidentally TP to you. Slash back. Where's the spider jockey? Did it disappear? No, it disappeared. Holy crap, it's Herobrine's Warrior.
You're not
Slash
that bad.
TPO Dominator Montepish. Look, it's Herobrine's Warrior.
You're gonna die.
Watch this. No! How could you? You're a violent monster. Okay, let's dash. There's also warp PvP just for you guys who liked PvP. Didn't I do slash clear?
Yeah, you actually need to block for PvP because you can get out of it.
No, you can't.
Could before I started. I went in there and you could get.
Okay, here it is. Why are you breaking through? We have to
Okay.
world edit this. I mean, like, protect it. Oh, we need some glowstone. Slash I glowstone. I'm just gonna put random glowstone all over the place.
Yeah, it's not weird at all. Oh, I got an idea.
Nothing could be worse.
Nah, it's not that bad. Believe me, dude. Like, just break these. And be like this. Legit. Oh,
The heck? Was that you as a squid?
no.
I'm trying to be just like my friend.
Come at me, bro. Who wants to come at me? Come at me. I'm the winner. The winner. The winner. Yeah. Hello?
Hello? Don't
Hello?
Do you see me?
Yeah, I see you.
Lol. Where are you? I can only see you and Nate.
Dude, I'm a wither.
Well, I don't see you.
You
Who's
see wither? Oh, wait, Nate's here. Wait, you're Nate.
No?
Uh-huh.
No?
Yeah? Because I hit tab, I only see you and me.
Nate's on
You're King Nate 2004. Yeah, I'm not that dumb, okay? I can see you. Let's do some... Oh, God.
I'm right here. Where are you? I'm at warp PvP.
No, you're not. Oh, yeah, you just changed back to Nate.
I've been here this whole time. Ah! Okay, that's all I want to do for this episode.
Some of the armor on. Let's PvP, I'm ready. You want PvP? Do some quick PvP before you end the video?
There, we can't PvP here, remember?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Fine, let's go.
Dude, I want to do some PvP, but right before you end the video.
I won!
Oh,
Woo! I won!
I wasn't even ready.
Fine. Let's go.
Hold on, let me come back.
Ready? 3,
Oh.
2, 1.
You're creative.
Woo!
You just slash kill, didn't you? I bet.
No. Okay. Bye, guys.